This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 4th of May. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather gradually changing in coming days. Heat levels coming up, humidity values coming up, and a few scattered showers and storms are possible each day. But we stress the weekend will not be a washout. In fact, I would suggest a decent chunk of the weekend will be dry. So let's check the upper air look across the country today. The Omega block gradually beginning to break down, but we still have a northwest flow aloft and a dry air mass in place. Visible satellite view, got a few little cirrus streaks across the state. Otherwise, the sky is sunny. That's the radar composite, about 2:15. Had some rain over Arkansas. Alabama's still dry. Temperatures are approaching average levels. We're still not quite there. We've got Tuscaloosa 77, Birmingham 75, Anniston 74. We should be at 80 around this time of the year. We do note that Mobile is at 82, Dothan at 80, and that warm air will be pushing northward over the next couple of days. There's the watch warning map today, relatively quiet across the country, but there is a chance of severe storms through tonight, through much of Texas into Oklahoma and parts of the Great Plains states. Also a marginal risk over Idaho and some of the adjacent states. So tomorrow we've got a few risks across the country, including one over Texas, one over parts of Nebraska, and one that has kind of creeped into the western part of Alabama. This is for tomorrow and tomorrow evening. There is a very low-end level 1 out of level 5 marginal risk of severe storms for about the western half of the state, and really this is a very low-end threat. There might be a few storms with gusty winds, but we're not overly concerned about that. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, we have marginal risks well to the west and north. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts about 1/2 to 1 inch for much of the state, maybe amounts a little higher across the Tennessee Valley. So, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Troughing in the west, we still have a northwest flow aloft here, and that certainly doesn't make for a big rain day. But having said that, we do think a warm front will be pushing northward with a chance of some rain at times. So let's take a look at high-resolution modeling. This is the high-resolution HER. This is valid tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, and there could be a few showers around as the day begins, especially for the northern half of the state, north of a warm front. So we might see some showers in the morning, but really not much rain through the afternoon and evening hours. This is valid tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock, and you can see just not much at all. So we'll mention a few scattered showers tomorrow morning, only isolated showers tomorrow afternoon. Highs will likely be in the 70s. And, of course, many questions about the weekend. So this is Saturday, and really the models continue to trend drier for Saturday. Could there be some rain? Yes. And we'll still mention widely scattered showers and storms. But having said that, I think a pretty decent chunk of the day will be dry, a mixture of clouds and sunshine, highs around 80. And the same thing on Sunday. Could there be a few scattered showers? Yes. But again, some sun, high Sunday, low 80s, maybe mid 80s in spots. And it will be more humid. It's going to feel more like summer this weekend. And that's kind of the theme for the first part of next week. This is Monday. We'll have scattered showers and storms around with highs in the 80s. Same thing on Tuesday. And understand the storms will be random, much like summertime. Scattered mostly during the afternoon and evening hours. And then Wednesday, evidence we could trend drier as a ridge begins to build, and heat levels will be cranking up. We could be close to 90 by the middle part of next week. So get ready, and this is a week from today, Thursday, May 11th, got a deep upper low that's around the Four Corners back in the southwest United States. That might be a severe weather event for Texas and Oklahoma. Maybe some big snows for the mountains of Colorado if this works out, but for Alabama, just a few spotty showers. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, May 14th, a weak zonal flow. And again, warm, humid, maybe a few scattered showers and storms about. We're almost into the time of the year where every day you're going to hear us say the chance of scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. I'll post that summer weather essay soon. It's about that time. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean is between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 20th of May. And summer fans, there you go. Check out those heat levels next week. We got mid-80s Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, highs around 90 Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Lows next week in the 60s. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed these cool mornings because they're basically gone. And here's the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for the period May 12th through May 18th. And we are solidly in the shades of orange, meaning temperatures will likely be above average. All right, let's roll that Pepsi Kid Cam. Wow. A cafeteria full of first graders. Calera Elementary School today. Now, we had a great time talking about the science of meteorology, and they were so much fun. And these guys know me well because they gave me Yoo-Hoos and Twinkies. That is the snack of choice during all weather events here. Yep, that guy's name is William, by the way. He was one of my assistants today. He was great. But first graders, you were great. The teachers, that's a marvelous school. I've been coming to see the kids at Calera for many years, and that was a great visit earlier today. And prior to that, saw the kids at Albertville up at the middle school this morning, the 7th graders, and they were great as well. Just FYI, typically my limit for the kid cam, it's 6th grade. You know, when you get in the 7th grade, so 6th grade and down, they make the kid cam. But the 7th graders were great today at Albertville Middle School. Just a great crowd, and I love the school, love the teachers, and they were so good today, despite the fact that I've got a stinking sinus infection, as you can tell. I feel fine, but it's just it happens about every 2 years for me in May. So catch us this evening if you can, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.